Hey guys, it's Kyle Parody, and today we are going to be making a cardboard game that you easily can make yourself. So first, you need something like this that you can find in a beer box or something like that. Make sure you write points on it to begin with. Then you need a box tray thing like this. To get started, you want to put this up here. Then here's the materials you need. So you need those two. You need scissors. You need stapler, which is preferred. You don't have to. Then you need tape and a Sharpie for that and designs. And something that you can use to make into this. But to get started, I'm going to grab this. You want to put it on there. Then you want to cut an outline to make this fit in there perfectly. Once you are done, you should have this fit in there perfectly to begin with the tossing and the taping, the stapling, and scissors to cut it, and designs and everything. At the end, you should have this. It should be able to now fit in here for you to be able to shoot and make it shoot. You're gonna miss sometimes, of course. Shoot, and but you want to make some designs and everything to it. Also, mine doesn't really fit in there very well, so I'm going to make some slight adjustments, and I'll be back with you guys in a moment. Now remember, you don't have to, but you could keep the scraps right here that we did to cut these, right here off. You could keep these and make adjustments to them. So now it should be like this if you wanted to add this attachment. So I'm laying down right now and it's at an angle. But yeah, so now if I'm just sitting right here and I'm like, hey, I want to play this arcade game, you just sit here and be like, boom, 5 points. Sometimes you'll miss 15. Boom. 100. Alright, I'm gonna add some designs to the sides and everything, and then I'll be finished. So I hope you guys liked this arcade game. If you did, please drop a like, and if you haven't already subscribed, be sure to do that. Put on post notifications. I'm gonna show one more quick scene. So this is what it ended up turning out like. I added rims around it. I added a little small backboard. It looks pretty cool, and it's a pretty fun game. I'm going to play this game real quick, and I hope you guys like this arcade game, and yeah, enjoy. That would be 100. Sometimes it doesn't go in, but yeah. Boom, 50 points. 50 points again. Whoa, how did that happen? Cool, my bad. Yes. A 5. 30. None. 5. 15. Almost 100. 5. A 30. Oh my gosh, it's just rejecting me. There we go. 10. Yeah, so you get the point. It's a really fun game. Like I said, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And here's the final product of it. I really like it. I hope you guys really like it. And yeah, be sure to drop a big like, subscribe, and peace.